This scientific notation problem asks you to think about the distance between Earth and Mars. So you have Earth and you have Mars and you have some distance, and it's some massive distance. So I'm going to change the problem for a minute, and I'm going to say, what if we had the distance between Teberg and, let's say, Rochester? So let's say that it's about 120 miles to go from Teberg to Rochester. And let's suppose that we travel at an average speed of 60 miles an hour. I'm guessing that your brain can see, okay, I'm dividing 120 by 60 and I'm going to get there in about 2 hours. Okay, maybe a little bit shorter than that, but I'm using that as a rough estimation. Then the numbers are not correct except for about our 60 miles an hour. So that lets me know, oh, I need to divide. So we can get rid of that subtraction because they're asking us which one would be best to determine how many hours it would take. So you're going to do the division. And then you want to think about, okay, it says for Rochester, that distance between Teberg and Rochester, that fictional distance was 120 miles. And we traveled at 60 miles per hour. So miles per hour, and this was miles. So look up here, it says the closest distance is 3.39, and we traveled at 3.6. So our 3.39 is that distance, and that would be what we put first. We're dividing by how many miles per hour we travel. So our choice would be C. We don't actually have to solve the problem, so I find it helpful to think of numbers I actually know when I'm trying to solve this.